welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do review about Gala Quick Spin Mop Refill. This is the mop refill of Gala and today I am going to do this review. It is a superior cleaning microfiber refill. Quick Spin Mop Refill. Commodity, that is mop refill, manufactured on April 2023. Number of commodity, that comes 1. MRP of this product is rupees 260, which is inclusive of all taxes. This Gala Quick Spin Mop Refill is manufactured and marketed by Frudenberg Gala Household Product Private Limited, 02 Galleria P 902/903/904, plot number 2324, Minerva Industrial Estate of LBS Mark, near Asha Nagar, Mulund West, Mumbai 400080, Maharashtra. In case of consumer complaint, contact Frudenberg Gala Household Product Private Limited, address same as above, and they have given the toll-free number, that is 1800-222-009. Email ID, if you have any complaint, you can shoot an email on customercare.india@fhp-ww.com, and their website name is www.galaclean.com, a brand of Frudenberg. They have also mentioned their Facebook and Twitter ID, that is #Gala Home Cleaning. That is their Facebook ID, and Twitter ID is @Gala_cleaning. It is a made in India product. Okay friends, let us open this mop and show you how this mop is fitted. This Gala Quick Spin Mop Refill. This is how the Gala Quick Spin Mop looks like. The Gala Spin Mop is a trusted name in the world of cleaning solution. Known for its high quality microfiber refill, it makes cleaning a breeze. It also ensures sparkling clean surfaces without much effort. If you are looking for a durable mop for a daily use or a cost-effective cause, this Gala Spin Mop is a quick solution to you. This Gala Quick Mop is a best solution for houses, offices, and even buildings. You can even use in buildings for floor cleaning. Why choose Gala Spin Mop? Why do we choose Gala Spin Mop? It is made of high quality microfiber material. See, this is high quality microfiber material. It features a microfiber head that delivers excellent cleaning performance. It features a microfiber mop head that delivers an excellent cleaning performance, and it's highly effective in cleaning the dirt, dust, and even small particles. If you are tackling stains of light, dust, or thin, this Gala Quick Mop is the best solution for you. So this mop is durable and it is reusable. One of the standout feature of the Gala Mop, it is machine washable. You can wash it in the machine. It not only make it reusable but also an economical choice when we compare it with other cleaning solution. When we compare with other cleaning solution, it is just better than other cleaning solution. Gala is a trusted brand. You simply wash the mop refill after use and it is ready for another cleaning solution. For the next cleaning session, it is ready to use. So it is reusable. You can keep on cleaning your floor, and it can be washable, and it can be ready for your next session. Versatility across surfaces. It is compatible with all type of hard surfaces. So this Gala Spin Mop is compatible with all type of surfaces like ceramic tiles, finished hardwood, laminate, etc. If you are cleaning your living room, your kitchen, your bedroom, it is very usable, and it is adaptable to your need. Effortless. Benefit of Gala Quick Spin Mop. It gives you an efficient cleaning. With this mop, it gives you an efficient cleaning. This is a Gala Spin Mop. Easy to clean corners and hard to reach area. It can easily go to the hard areas and corners also where you are not able to reach. So it makes an effective cleaning. And it is lightweight. It's very lightweight. You can even carry it one finger also, like this. So it's very lightweight and ensure a smooth cleaning experience. And it gives you a very smooth cleaning experience. Affordable pricing and availability. The Gala Mop price make it an attractive option for budget conscious customers. So person who are budget conscious, this mop is very good for you. It offers unmatched value for money. It gives unmatched value for money. So you buy, you can this mop can be reusable and again. So you don't have to worry about your money, because it is very valuable if you buy this mop. If you are searching the Gala Spin Mop price or the cost of the refill, you can easily available online, and in online you can get many attractive deals, and on Amazon, JioMart, Big Basket, and many other online websites. You can get many attractive deals for this quick mop, refill mop. It is designed to meet household of India, and this mop is available on Amazon, and they give you even a free home delivery when you buy it from Amazon or any online website. They also give a free home delivery. This mop make your home clean and tidy. So this mop make your home clean and tidy. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit a like on my video and subscribe to my button for more such amazing video. And if you want to buy this Gala Quick Mop refill, you can buy it on Amazon or any online shopping website, and they will deliver it at home. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.